Olha a explosão, quando ela bate com a bunda no chão, quando ela mexe com a bunda no chão, quando ela joga com a bunda no chão, quando ela sarra e o bumbum no chão. Tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night.
In 2005, Relight introduced the world's first bike lights running on magnetic energy. Today, Relight is mounted on 1 out of 3 of all bikes in the Danish cities, and worldwide sales has reached more than 10 million sets of magnetic bike lights. Magnetic energy means no battery, which means that the light is always on. And this daytime running light feature is what yields the largest safety effect. Research based on a large-scale test showed reductions in accidents up to 19%. Now, Relight introduces the next generation of this life-saving magnetic bike light. Relight CO mounts on your bike in seconds with a new patent-pending mounting system, Remount. The light can be mounted in any vertical position on the stays, and you can easily move it to another bike. The magnet on the spoke has become smaller and more powerful. Most importantly, the light platform has been upgraded to provide high light intensity and good side visibility, while the Repower technology keeps you safe even at a standstill.